Hello viewers, today we are making lemon and chili pickle. Let's use some fresh assorted chilies from our garden. "500-gram chilies. Wash thoroughly 2 to 3 times. Let it dry. Two tablespoon rye, mustard seeds. 1 tablespoon kalonji, nigella seed. 2 tablespoon fennel seeds, so. 2 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, methi dana. 2 tablespoon turmeric powder. 2 tablespoon salt. 2 lemons. Use gloves for cutting chilies. Add all spices into a mixing bowl. Mix it well. Add chilies. Cut lemons. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoon mustard oil. Keep it in dry glass jar. Cover it with the lid tightly. Keep shaking it for 1 to 2 minutes daily for 4 days. 1 cup mustard oil. Heat up the oil and then let it cool down. Add the oil into the pickle after 4 days and close the lid tightly and leave it 4 to 5 days. don't forget to shake. Ready to eat after 1 week. Enjoy it with your favorite food. Thanks for watching the video, and remember to subscribe if you aren't already. Let us know in the comments if you enjoyed the voiceover and want to see more videos like this.